In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to schedule appointments for certain days and times. This is a fantastic tool for anyone who needs to organize meetings or consultations efficiently. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Drive. If you're not logged in yet, make sure you do so to access your files and tools. Once you are on Google Drive, you'll want to find the New button, typically located on the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on this button will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for creating new documents and files. In this menu you'll see Google Forms. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be presented with different templates, but for this tutorial, let's keep things simple and select the blank form option. This will take you to the form creation interface where we can customize our appointment scheduling form. Now it's time to name your form. In the form title area, type something descriptive like appointment schedule. A clear title helps the form recipients immediately understand its purpose. With the foundation set, it's time to add questions to the form. Click on the floating plus icon to add your first question. Begin with essential details such as name. This helps you identify who you will be meeting with. Simply type name into the question field and then choose the type of response you expect. In this case, a short answer format works best. Next, add fields for email and phone. These will be vital for contacting attendees. Just like with the name field, type in the question and choose the short answer option for collecting this information efficiently. The form should also allow people to specify when they're available, add a question for preferred days, and provide options like Monday through Friday using a multiple choice or checkbox format. This part is crucial for gathering information on when people can meet. Similarly, follow up with a question for preferred time. You might use a drop-down menu or time slots to let participants choose the times that suit them best. This ensures everyone is clear on the available times, making the scheduling process smoother. Before finalizing your form, click on the eye icon to preview it. This allows you to view and test the form from the perspective of those filling it out, ensuring everything functions as it should. Make any necessary adjustments based on this preview. Finally, once you're satisfied with the form, hit the publish button to make it live. Share the link with those you need to meet with and you're all set. Your appointments can now be seamlessly booked using Google Forms, saving you a lot of time and organizing hassle. And that wraps up the tutorial. Thanks for tuning in and happy scheduling.